In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Slides presentation aesthetic and visually appealing. If your slides feel plain or ordinary, this guide will help you transform them into polished, professional presentations that grab attention and convey your message clearly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to design slides that are both functional and visually engaging. To start, head over to Google Slides. Type Google Slides into your browser or go directly to the homepage. Sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Once signed in, you'll see all your existing presentations and options to create a new one. You can either start with a blank presentation for full customization or choose a pre-made template for a quicker setup. Templates provide a solid foundation with pre-selected color schemes, fonts, and layouts you can adjust. Next, focus on design. Choose a clean and consistent theme to keep your slides cohesive. You can find the theme panel on the right-hand side. Browse the available themes and select one that complements your message. Consistency in fonts, colors, and layouts is key to a professional look. Now, add high-quality visuals. Google Slides allows you to insert images from your device, Google Drive, or the web. Make sure your images are clear and relevant. Low-resolution or poorly aligned images can make your slides look messy. Along with photos, use icons, shapes, or diagrams to illustrate key points. These elements make your content more engaging and easier to understand. Ensure that graphics match the overall style of your presentation and avoid overcrowding. Balance is crucial. While visuals enhance aesthetics, your content should remain readable. Use legible fonts, limit text per slide, and maintain proper spacing. Subtle animations or slide transitions can highlight important points without being distracting. Background colors should complement your theme while keeping text clear and readable. By following these steps, you can create Google Slides that are visually stunning, professional, and effective at communicating your ideas. Remember, the goal is to balance content with design for maximum impact. Review your slides for consistency and clarity before sharing. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you make your Google Slides as aesthetic as possible. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips and tutorials. Happy designing!